How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a few months with a lot of stuff going on, so thanks for tuning back in. But finally found some time to record, so here we go. So this is the new toy. It's a hard shell rooftop tent by Roofnest. This model is the Sparrow XL Adventure. Normally they just have the Sparrow and the Sparrow XL, but for the Adventure it comes with these extra crossbars for bikes, kayaks, or whatever you want to mount up there, which is a nice option to have. These rooftop tents, specifically the hard shell ones, can be very expensive, anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 for the really nice ones. Luckily, I found this one on Facebook Marketplace and got a really good deal on it since it was used. The only issue it has, and it's not really an issue, is it has some cracks on the sides you can see here. But the lining on the inside is waterproof, so we haven't had any leaks at all. Once I can find the time, I'll probably fill it with some resin and then maybe even cover the whole top with Line-X. I saw someone else who was selling another rooftop tent that was covered in Line-X up top, and he said it was super easy to do, so maybe that'll be an option for us. I plan on keeping it on year-round, which is not a popular thing to do, but it is easier since we don't have a garage. So hopefully the resin and Line-X will help with slowing down the wear. Now on this tent there are 3 entryways, one on either side of the vehicle and one at the rear, and then you have a window at the front. It also comes with these awnings that you can put up on the entryways. I haven't been using them because it hasn't rained while we were camping, so I've just been folding them up. And then of course you've got the telescoping ladder. As you can see, it's nice and roomy up here. They advertise for 2 to 3 adults to fit, and it's been really great for us. We have 2 adults and then 2 little kids, and we fit just fine up here. The main reason I got this was to encourage more camping and overall to camp more comfortably and safely, either by myself or with the family. And so far it's been really great. We've used it a total of 3 times since I got it in April. Once for a day trip and then twice for camping. The setup on this tent is probably the easiest thing ever because of the gas struts on the inside, so I'll go ahead and demonstrate that real quick. Alright, so like I said, very easy to set up. The teardown, not so much. I've seen some videos online of people using these with big trucks. Hey, pup. And they're climbing up on the roof to get it shut. Some other ones are like a Subaru Forester, and they've installed a ratchet system into the hard shell to pull it down. I don't really want to do any of that. I didn't really see, and maybe because I didn't look hard enough, I didn't see a teardown of this type of tent on a full-size SUV, so I'm going to show that to you on this LR3. One tip though, just make sure that the sides of the tent, or at least 2 entryways, are completely open, so that when you pull it down, air's not getting trapped inside. It'll make it easier for you. And there you go. Another tip, some people will leave their bedding in it. I, for some reason, haven't had any luck with doing that. It makes it really hard for me to get it closed all the way, so I've just been taking out my stuff every time. One advantage I have is this tailgate that I can fold down instead of using the ladder, because then I can just leave the ladder on one side and climb up here every time for working on the back of the tent. Overall, we're really happy with this tent. I'll probably do a pros and cons video soon on having a rooftop tent, because I know these get a lot of hate online, but it works well for us and it might work well for you too. But that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like any other tent, we're just excited to create more memories with it. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and have a great day.